How do? What an absolutely beautiful day. Not a cloud in the sky. It's gorgeous. I've even shaved my head today to make it shine. Right, this morning this table turned up off eBay, 49 quid delivered. People might think that's expensive, but when you think it comes with a rail and the leg, now fair enough, looking at the leg, it's worse for wear. So is this as well. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to sand it down. Oh yeah, like I say, the rail alone you could pay 25-30 quid for. The leg, what are they, about a tenner? I know they're new, but yeah, but it comes with a table and it's bang on the sides as well. Right, so like I say, I'm going to sand this down. I'm going to get some Amaranth silver spray and see how we're going with that. I think it should be okay. Right, so I'm on with that now. I'm going to have to go and get some spray. Bye bye. Right, getting this table level is becoming a nightmare. Ooh, oh. It's obviously you've got to get it centralised, which I think that's okay. But the problem is now I don't want to be screwing into a wall and it's wrong. You know what I mean? And this leg, it's tilted. How do? Well, all I can say how hard work that was. I couldn't film it because, well, somebody turned up, a friend of mine, so he ended up helping me holding it and everything. He didn't want to go and film. So anyway, that's beside the point. But that's up now. Now the problem is, this is about half a centimetre, but once you get the table on, you can blink and tell. Hang on. Yeah, once the table is on, there you can actually see. I'll show you now. Hello. Stupid bastard. Right, you can see there, look. To me, that is tilting. All it needs is leg lifting, doesn't it? Just slightly. Yeah, put something under that. You know, like a caster protector. Because all it is once I lift that, that's level. Look, it's note. You know what I mean? Don't know what that's for. Have I got that upside down? That ain't supposed to be like that, is it? You stupid pillar Paul. Oh, it's got to be right because there's some things that go underneath. I don't know if you're going to be able to see them. There, look. And they slot in a groove. So it has to be right way up. I don't like that. Do you? Anyway, right, so apart from doing that bit there, it's in anyway. We've got a table to sit at. There. Ollie! As I was saying, this bar is too high for the table leg, so when it's on, it's like that. Literally. If I put it any lower, I won't get my legs under because of the thickness of the cushions. So what I've had to do is take it off and put some, well, packing, not under the leg at the bottom, but under the table. I'm going to be painting the table leg black anyway. That's the difference. Look at that. What's that? Inch and a half? Something like that. So I'll attach the bracket that holds the leg to this. Just leave that overnight. Oh, put a mirror up and you can see how gorgeous I am. Hi. Yeah. Washers at the back. Regarding the TV that I blew up, the adapter came today, so I put it into the cigarette lighter at the front, put it into the telly, and nothing happened. So I've knackered the telly. So that's another £100 plus to get a new telly. I want a 12 volt, I don't want to mess around with 240. Right, it's day after now. I'll fit that. It's just rolled it like that's all. It looks a bit crude, but it'll work. Okay, so now I ended up painting this black. Yeah, how it goes now. That's it. It just turns. There you go. Still a bit damp, that bloody leg, actually. Right. There were a label there telling you what size the table were. And you know what they've done? Well, there's the table, all in. That's the only downside. It was actually covered up with this sticker that gives the size of the table. eBay AM Leisure, but I have bought of them before when I did the Contica, and they are really, really good. Normally, why that's happened, I haven't a clue. I don't know. You can see where it's sticker were, look there. Yeah, but like I say, I've had it off. I've had stuff off them before, and never had a problem. Never had a problem at all. Anyway, I like this table. It's all right. Anyway, now it's painted leg. I painted it black, back silver. That's cool. There we go. Very pretty. Yeah, regarding this, it couldn't be apologetic enough. He couldn't give me out back because they've reduced it so much. I mean, 49 quid I got the rail and the leg and the table. 50 quid. You know what I mean? Anyway, but he's actually said that if we get hotels, have you heard all that? If we get hotels, then he'll give me a bit of discount. But like I say, anyway, I'll leave the link at the bottom because he has some really good stuff and it's not overpriced. It really isn't, honestly. There's loads of stuff. Right, got me mocha tonight, sleeping, taking over the bed, no doubt. Right, people, I'm going to upload this tonight. Say bye-bye.